Sunny skies and hot conditions. We're already starting to see some warmer numbers, and as we move into the afternoon, we're looking at 115 today. The area of high pressure that's in place is going to stick around. So from today to tomorrow, it moves a little bit, but then on Sunday, it retrogrades a little bit. It's just going to hover here in the Great Basin, and this is a spot where it tends to do a couple of things. One, it will elevate temperatures. Two, it starts to hold in some pollutants at the surface. So we're going to keep an eye on ozone levels and air quality in the moderate range this morning. Excessive heat warning through Monday, Labor Day Monday. The air mass is dry, so we don't have to worry about monsoonal moisture. Maybe just a little bit of humidity in the morning hours. Right now, our numbers not bad at all. Get out and enjoy the lower numbers this morning. 80 in Palm Desert, 85 right now outside of our studios. We're down into the 70s. That's a nice occurrence that you won't see for the rest of the weekend. We were at 82 in Cathedral City, 87 already in Palm Springs. Light breezes around the valley. North of the freeway, we're picking up winds close to 10 miles per hour, but that's about it, and that's all you're going to see. The weekend is not going to be a wind event, just some light breezes. We could use a little bit more in the way of wind. Right now, our dew point's hovering right around that 50-degree mark. It's kind of the magic number if you're using evaporative coolers, but it also tells us how comfortable it's going to be in terms of the humidity that we experience when we're outside. So it actually doesn't look bad. And the dew points as we move through the week can dry out a little bit more. So if we have to contend with temperatures in the 1-teens, it's better that it's nice and dry out there. Now, your temperatures this afternoon headed toward 114, 115. It's going to be pleasant in the early part of the day, but it gets a little tough to deal with late in the afternoon, so just bear that in mind as you're planning your daily trips and travels and errands. And looking at tomorrow, we're going to be up closer to 118, 119 throughout the valley, so the numbers get really tough into the weekend. Here's your Comfort Air 7-day forecast. That 119 goes from that number all the way up to 120 on Sunday. The hottest temperature in September in the valley was back in 1950, and it was 121. We could beat that or tie it. Labor Day itself, 118 degrees, and then the numbers finally come back down to more reasonable levels. That's close to our seasonal normal. That's where we're supposed to be. So we can look forward, even though we'll be all back at work then, we can look forward to some cooler numbers for next work week. Jeff and Angela.
Okay, get ready for the heat.